Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Studio. So how are you, my dear subscribers and my all viewers? I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to share with you most stylish, beautiful, gorgeous and outstanding plus size mother of the bride new dress designs ideas. So you will see in this video different style and type of dress design 2023 and 24. You can wear this dress in official parties and in formal function. All design is so beautiful and stylish for those women who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So please guys, watch my video till the end, so don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of dress. You will find hundred of new designs, hundred of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, The Fashion Studio, and for more fashion ideas. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Outstanding, beautiful and gorgeous plus size mother of the bride new dress designs ideas. So please guys, like my video and share my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. So friends, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification full of my videos, so you will not miss any video of my channel, The Fashion Studio. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Beautiful, gorgeous and outstanding plus size mother of the bride new dress designs ideas. Do comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for appreciations of my previous video. Thank you so much everyone of your positive feedback. Your positive feedback encourage me and motivate me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Goodbye my dear friends, till the next video. See you soon.